Our non-slip soft cushion carpet floor mats with heel pad are a must-have for all your cars. Lightweight yet durable, these FH Group liners blend perfectly with original mats or even the interior of your vehicle. These modestly designed car floor liners offer soft fiber carpeting to create a comfy finish and feature a grooved rubber heel pad on the driver's side to help trap dirt and mud. Plus, the underside has a non-slip textured backing to ensure that the mats always stay in place. They are universal in size to fit most cars and are easy to maintain with the simple use of a vacuum cleaner or a damp cloth. And best of all, this heavy-duty mat is waterproof, providing valuable protection and offering you peace of mind. Provide essential floor protection for your vehicle with our non-slip carpet floor mats with heel pad. This full set comes complete with 2 front floor mats and 2 rear floor mats and are available in 3 standard shades that will blend perfectly with all your cars.